This is the room of the ITC Royal Bengal Hotel. So let's start. First of all, this is a master key. You put over there and lights are turned on. And at the entry point on the right side, there is a desk where you can keep your bags, luggages. There is a drawer also. You can see over there. See? And there is a painting. Okay? So moving on to that. So this is the main entry. At the left side, there is a toiletry. And there is a mirror you can see over there. And there is a phone. And there is a weight machine also. Okay? So nice design basically. Okay, now moving on to a little further, and on the left side we have our bathroom. In this structure there is no bathtub here, but there are other rooms where you can get bathtubs. So this is the view of bathroom. Just enter on left side. These are the toiletry kits, some glasses and big mirror. Okay, and now this is shower room with all amenities, hot, cold water. And, this is from exiting from bathroom, and now there is wardrobe where you keep your dresses. Okay, there are 3 drawers where you get a personalized locker. Okay. So moving on to entering into the main room. This is the bed, and there is a painting over there you can see. And what is the whole structure of this room? And there's a TV, big screen, and this side you will get your in-room tea, coffee sets, this water bottle, and to make hot water, and some amenities for teas. Okay. On bottom there is a fridge. This is empty. I have kept a bottle of water over there. And this is the table where you can sit over there and do some writing job or whatever you like. There is a drawer also. Okay, and here is the phone and table lamp also, and this is revolving chair. Okay. Another table with a chair and 2 bedside table with some drawers. And here is the room control main key. This is iPad provided by ITC, from where you can do many things. I'll show it later. So this is the painting bed, another bedside table. Okay, here you can keep your suits. And there is some personal stuff. There is a magazine holder, and there is a sofa where you can sit and relax. Now this is the curtain. Let's open the curtain and see outer side. Here is the view. You can see all over Kolkata from there. It's very nice. Okay, so after opening this, it looks like this. Okay, and from the back side, here is the entry room. And now going to the iPad. Everything is controlled via this iPad, anything, just like you want to room control, so whole lights are open, so you can switch off, switched on there. Okay, and if you want to have some food, just click over there, menu will be loaded, just enter and choice of food over there, you just enter and just like it will be selected. Okay, cancel now. Okay, and here is the TV. To switch on or switch off, you can do it from here, TV control. Okay, just in the new channel, just click over there, TV will be open up automatically and channel will start. Okay, so here is the whole room of ITC Royal Bengal, and that's nicely maintained. See the floor is carpet based and few areas wooden based. Overall, nice experience. Hope to see again. Bye.